Hi, it's Courtney, and in today's video, I'm showing you how I did this wave face paint for the Emoji makeup challenge. For this video, I'm using Snazzaroo white and blue face paints. Firstly, using a nail art brush, you need to lay down the base shape for the wave, looking closely at an inspiration picture. For this, I used the blue Snazzaroo face paint straight from the pan, but you can use any deep blue face paint you have available. The base for the wave shape does not have to be super neat. Remember, this is only the base and we will be going in with further details later on. Make sure that you work in small sections and avoid sharp angles. Your brush strokes need to move smoothly and create natural lines to avoid looking jagged. Once you lay down the base shape for the wave, begin to fill in the space directly under the fingers of the wave. This is the deepest and darkest area of the makeup. Fill in this area with the dark blue Snazzaroo paint straight from the pan and create small lines throughout the centre of the waves to show the direction that the water within the wave is flowing. Take a white face paint, I'm using Snazzaroo, and activate it with water or setting spray. Decant some of the product onto a mixing palette, or as I am, into the lid of the face paint pot. Then, take the blue face paint and activate it with setting spray or water, and decant a small amount into the same lid or mixing palette as the white face paint. Mix thoroughly, going back into the blue and white until you achieve a light blue colour. Fill in the bottom half of the wave shape with that lighter blue colour. Create line strokes with the product on the brush to mimic the flow of water, ensuring that all of the lines flow naturally with the base shape of the wave and in the direction that the wave is facing. Take the original dark blue shade once again and activate it with water. Use the same thin nail art brush to reapply the product in the darkest area of the wave. Create line marks downwards from the darkest area throughout the lighter blue shade to begin to add depth to the body of the wave and blend the dark and lighter areas together. Once again, ensure that these darker lines flow within the natural shape of the wave. Take the lighter blue mix from earlier and add a little more white to create an icy blue tone, and add highlights into the wave in between the dark lines that you created earlier. colour the frothy upper layer of the wave, take the white face paint and activate it with a small amount of water to create a thicker opaque paint mix. Use a slightly larger nail art brush or eyeliner brush to fill in the finger shaped area at the top of the wave. Remember that if you accidentally go over the blue outline with the white paint, this will mix with the blue. Try to avoid doing this. If you accidentally do mix the shades together and some of the blue outline merges with the white, that is okay. Allow it time to dry, then stipple some of the white paint over the area to cover up the blue. Once you have painted that entire area of the wave white, add small little frothy white dots across the wave shape to represent the sea foam splashing up from the waves. Take the smallest nail art brush that you had earlier and neaten up the outline of the entire wave shape using that dark blue face paint from earlier. Take your time and try to create smooth, even lines, avoiding jagged and harsh edges. Once the first layer of white is completely dry, go back in with a final layer to achieve maximum opacity. And that's the finished wave face paint for the emoji challenge. You can leave the face paint as it is, or as I'm doing here, you can go in and add a couple more frothy dots in. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.